Alright, see, now test to detect the hydrogen. These bubbles, soap bubbles, they are already filled with hydrogen. So when a burning candle is brought near the soap bubbles, it is put off with a pop sound. Fine. So this pop sound, this is indicated that this gas is hydrogen. Then the next part of this question, name the gas which will be evolved when the same metal reacts with dilute solution of strong acid. Now when the same metal, it is reacting with dilute solution of strong acid, what will happen? Same metal means we are again taking zinc and it is acting now reacting with a strong acid such as hydrochloric acid. So what will be formed? Zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. So the same gas is evolved. Again hydrogen is evolved. Name the gas. Gas is again hydrogen. So that is hydrogen will be evolved. Hydrogen will be evolved when the metal zinc reacts with strong acid. When the metal reacts with strong acid. Alright, now let us come to the or part of this, that is the pH of a salt used to make tasty and crispy pakoras is 14. Now this means that this is a basic salt. Alright, identify the salt and write the chemical equation for its formation. List its two uses. Alright, now this is a good question. pH, this is alkaline pH. So for pakoras what we are using? The salt is over here is sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. How do we write sodium bicarbonate? It is NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Identify the salt. We have identified. Write a chemical equation for its formation. Sodium bicarbonate, formation of sodium bicarbonate. How we are doing? We are taking brine solution. Alright, brine solution means an aqueous solution of NaCl, and in this aqueous solution of NaCl, we are passing carbon dioxide and ammonia. Alright. So over here what we will get? NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl. How you will remember this? See, we have got CO2 over here. Alright. CO2 over here and one oxygen over here. So this makes it as CO3. Alright. And then one H we are taking from water. So water is left with only one H. And this becomes ammonium chloride and this becomes sodium bicarbonate. Alright. So we have written the chemical equation is, that is NaCl, aqueous NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3, four things we will all mix up together and we will be getting NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl. Alright, okay, then let us write its two uses also we have to write. So one use of course we have seen, that is to make the crispy pakoras, of course that is already given, so leave that. Then two uses, let us write the two uses of NaHCO3. So we know that it is used as an antacid. Alright, antacid is, that is when a lot of gas is built up, acid is built up in our stomach, then we are using a mild base and that is known as antacid. Alright, then it is also used as a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. All right. It is releasing whenever NaHCO3, you heat it, it will release carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is a fire extinguisher. All right, let's come to the next question now. All right, now see this question. When you add a few